Hello friends, today we will learn how to create a coffee latte effect in Photoshop. Here we blend a model face image in coffee latte form. Let's get started. At first, I opened a coffee latte image in Photoshop. Here we can see already an art is over the coffee. I'm gonna erase the art. For that, I'm taking the magnetic lasso tool and select the art area. Now going to edit option, then fill. Here I will use content aware and keep mood normal and opacity 100. Then just click OK. After doing that, we can see some of the areas didn't fill yet. For that, I deselect the selection and doing the same process again. Now our coffee art has vanished. At this moment, I opened a model picture in another tab. Then I take the ellipse tool from the side toolbar. Now by holding the shift key, I am gonna select only model face. Then drag the selection and drop it over the coffee image. Now selecting layer 1, I'll go to filter, then filter gallery. Here I will choose the cutout filter. After filter selection, I need to change some ratios like level 6, simplicity 2 and fidelity 2. Look at the filter now, then just click OK. Now I have to change the blending option normal to multiply. See the change? The next step is edge blending. For that, I take a soft brush tool. Here, make sure the foreground color is white and the background color is black. Now brush the edges very smoothly. For better results, I added some brightness and contrast. If you don't need, you can skip this step. Finally, after all process, coffee latte effect is done. Look at the differences. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Give us your feedback in our comment box. Keep watching our tutorial video and increase your Photoshop skill. Stay with us by subscribing our channel and visit our website at www.clippingamazon.com.